We wanted to do a huge leap forward in the appearance of the Jetta, to make the brand Jetta, the product brand Jetta, shine. We gave the car a totally new expression. And if you look into the face of the car, if you look into the lines, into the precision, and compare this with the predecessor, you can say it's a totally new experience that we deliver. If you look into the history of the Jetta, it has grown up over a lot of generations and was a company for many families, yeah? And over time it developed more and more, and I think we see in this generation really a pivoting point. You are now looking at a very matured character with a lot of pride, a very coherent, consistent design appearance, very valuable. From my point of view, the best Jetta that we had so far.
Were you aiming at a more European look, perhaps, or not? It is, after all, an American market that this is going to do well in.
Yeah, if you look into the market fields, one thing's for sure: you need to have an impact with something that is brave and that stands out. You need to do something that attracts customers, and that's what we are aiming for. Yeah, that's a hard, very, very hard task to achieve this. Every line, every detail needs to stand this process of maturing. You look at it and say, is this really good enough? Can we throw it out, or can we make it any better? So the team is working very, very hard to achieve this level of sophistication and precision. And in the end, if you're really good, you create this mass appeal, that everybody that looks at it says, that's somehow cool. Without explanation in mind, you should be hooked, and that's what we are looking for.